Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cuisinart CDF-500 Extra Large Deep Fryer. If you want rotisserie fryer and steamer really is a multitasking marvel, helping you to produce restaurant-style turkey dishes, straight from your home kitchen, then you must choose the Cuisinart CDF-500. This is a versatile appliance that has been designed to cook turkeys and other meat. Easy to use and suitable for steaming dishes too, the Cuisinart CDF-500 comes complete with a basket and adjustable temperature controls. If you're looking to impress, and fancy yourself as a bit of a chef, then get ready to be excited. You can cook appetizers, entrees and sumptuous side dishes just like your favorite restaurant does, so this model is sure to be a crowd pleaser. You can also use the Cuisinart with or without oil because of its restaurant-style multifunctions. Our second best turkey fryer is Char-Broil's Turkey Fryer. This turkey fryer allows you to prepare a turkey up to 16 pounds in size. The unit can be operated both indoors and outside. It doesn't use any oil, so this is a healthier option than traditional fryers. The product offers a variety of some of the essential functionalities, but at the same time, it comes with an affordable price tag. We particularly like the fact that it provides you with versatile cooking options. In addition to turkeys, you may also use it for cooking chicken and other types of roasts. Large capacity cooking basket allows you to safely fry whole turkeys up to 16 pounds, in as little as 8 to 10 minutes per pound. There's no waiting around for oil to heat up, and when you are done, there is no oil to dispose of. With only 2 knobs to control, one to turn on, and one to light the burner, operating is easy to do. The Char-Broil Big Easy comes complete with a thermometer, making it easy to know when your food is done, having reached the target internal temperature. The Big Easy comes complete with a cooker, cooking basket, basket lifting tool, meat thermometer, quick start cooking guide, cool touch handles, rotary ignition, and removable drip tray. For details, let's watch more.
Crispy skin, tender and juicy meat. There's nothing better than a fried turkey, except when you can cook it without the oil. Char-Broil brings you the fast, easy, and safe way to fry with the Big Easy Oilless Turkey Fryer. Simply connect your propane, turn the ignition, place your bird in the basket, and let the Big Easy Fryer do the rest. Char-Broil's patented true infrared technology circulates heat across your food, ensuring the entire turkey is cooked evenly. The radiant heat cooks food quicker and, just like deep frying, cooks your food to perfection. But unlike frying with oil, there's no extra calories or messy cleanup. The included meat thermometer keeps track of the cook. The lid screen helps crisp up the skin. And the convenient grease tray takes care of the drippings. From pork tenderloin to prime rib, the Big Easy Fryer is also perfect for any food you might usually roast. And optional accessories give you even more versatility to expand your menu. The Big Easy Oilless Turkey Fryer, with true infrared technology and no messy cleanups, Char-Broil gives you the ultimate tool for the perfect turkey dinner.
Third in our list is Bayou Classic 3025 Turkey Fryer. This cooker uses oil to fry turkey and other meats. It can fit up to 30 quarts inside. This unit's design is based around safety, preventing leaks and spillage across the board. Made of the finest high-grade aluminum, this turkey fryer is best used as a commercial turkey fryer because it's able to fully cook a 20 pounds turkey in under 45 minutes. This product is highly convenient, with a build that includes grab hooks and a poultry rack, so you don't have to spend on more accessories. This 30 quarts aluminum stock pot with lid and riveted handles can fry a whole 18 pounds turkey in as little as 45 minutes. Includes a patented poultry rack and lift hook. Stainless 12-inch fry thermometer. This multi-purpose stock pot can also boil and brew. Generous capacity is perfect for preserving and canning. Use this versatile stock pot for large-scale entertaining and family meals, whether boiling a seafood feast or frying a turkey. Bayou Classic understands the importance of functional presentation, and is the preferred choice of adventurous backyard chefs everywhere. Number 4 in our best turkey fryer list is Masterbuilt MB2012420 XL electric fryer. This affordable fryer has a sleek design and a reasonably small footprint considering it can still fit a 20-pound turkey. If you want to add an extra dose of flavor to your turkey, the included wood chip box allows you to add a wonderful smoked taste to your meat. The tempered lid allows you to watch your food as it cooks, which is another convenient feature. It heats up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and can also be used as a steamer and boiler, making this appliance anything but single use. Let's watch more. Our last pick is Char-Broil the Big Easy Oil-less Turkey Fryer. If you're craving the crispy exterior of a fried turkey but don't want to deal with the mess or precautions involved with oil frying, you'll appreciate the performance of this oil-less fryer. It should be used outdoors and connected to a propane tank, which you'll need to provide, and uses infrared technology to perfectly cook whole birds, rib roasts, pork tenderloins, and more. A 1200-inch 2 smoking and roasting basket will accommodate large cuts of meat, fits up to a 21 pounds turkey. And with the TRU infrared cooking system, you'll get that great, oil-less fried turkey that tastes crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. Removable grill grate is ideal for grilling your favorite foods such as burgers, chops, wings, steaks, chicken and veggies. And with the TRU infrared cooking surface, there are no flare-ups, food can't fall down between the grates, and the results are tender and juicy. Simply connect to a standard liquid propane tank, turn one knob to on, and turn the other knob to light the unit. Also features a removable grease tray for easy disposal and mess-free cleanup, and steel legs for keep the unit off the ground and for added stability.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!